This is a 2005 Land Rover LR3, and in this video I'm going to replace one of the rear seats. The reason that I'm replacing the seat is the mechanism that operates the folding up and down has busted on the other side. The cabling has busted, so you can't repair that. And on this side, I noticed that the cabling has started to fray, so this is going to bust sooner or later, probably sooner. So I had access to a good one, a good replacement on eBay, so I figured let's get it done before it breaks. The only tools you'll need are a T50 Torx with a ratchet. You may or may not need this extension, and a torque wrench that'll get you to 33 foot-pounds. There are 4 screws that hold the seat down. They are all T50 Torx. There is one electrical connector, and I'm not sure if all the seats have that electrical connector or just the heated seats. Mine are heated seats, so there is an electrical connector. Those screws are located at the front and the back of the mounting brackets. There's one bracket on this side and one bracket over here. We're going to take the T50 Torx and remove the 2 front screws. To get to the screws in the back, what we need to do is we need to fold the seat down like that, and we're going to reach down here, grab the lever, and then pop the seat forward. Now, if your seat was busted like mine was on the other side, you won't be able to fold the seat down forward. So what you're going to need to do is pull the strap at the front. You're going to pull the strap and you're going to drop the seat, but you're not going to latch it. And then reach down, wherever that lever is, grab that lever, and then you can fold the seat forward with it upright. Now, because I can fold my seat over, I'm going to do that, and that's the easiest way to do it, and then I'll pop it, fold it forward, and now I have access to the 2 screws in the back. But before I take the 2 screws out, I need to disconnect the electrical connector. You can now see the 2 screws. There's one here, and then one here, and the electrical connector. To get the connector disconnected, there's a tab here. Push it in, pull it out. Super easy. And now take out these 2 screws in the back. When I started, I did move this passenger seat all the way forward and tilted it all the way forward so the seat would come out easy. And if your seat is stuck in the upright position, it just comes right out too. It doesn't cause a problem for you at all. So grab the old seat and take them out. And now you just slide in the new seat. And when you have the seat out, it's a good opportunity to hit this area with a vacuum and get it super clean. There is a pin on the floor that indexes into a hole in the bracket. So that helps you line up the seat and get it in the right spot. The first thing you do is pop that electrical connector in. That way you don't forget. And then put in your screws. Torque the screws to 33 foot-pounds. Now we move to the front screws. Pop them in. And torque them down to 33 foot-pounds. And here we go, the new seat is installed. It's not hard to do. The seat is not that heavy to lift in and out, and if it's stuck in the upright position, that's not a big deal. It's easy to come in and out. If you have any questions on how to do this, feel free to leave those in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. I hope you found the video useful. Have a great day.